The art of crafting bridal dress perfection.
Transforming fabric with vibrant color, see how dye brings it to life. Pressing with precision, watch as fabric takes on a flawless finish. Pattern markings for constructing your garment are there to indicate how the pattern pieces sew together. They can show how to distribute ease, create dress, where to gather, and even which part of the garment you are working with. Needle and thread work their magic, crafting elegance with every stitch. Watch as fabric transforms under skilled hands, becoming a work of art. The finishing touch. Witness the culmination of skill and style as the dress shines in its full glory.